Okay guys, number one, put your feet together, straight your knees. Try to feel almost like this stretchiness and pain in your knees. Super straight. Tummy in, chest up. Now use your hands to really squeeze your waist as much as you can. That will be number one. To get your body into straight position, feel like the flow of energy comes from the knee into your belly, into the chest, neck as long as you can. And with your fingers, squeeze your waist, make it very small. Now number one, what you're gonna do, we're gonna open our toes. Boom. Close. So heel together, toes apart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now keep your toes open, heels together. Now put your point your foot to the right. Now try to stretch as much as possible this part of your toe here, as much as possible. And now we're gonna go in next exercise. Put your heel down. 1, lift 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel like your heel almost touching the floor, and then try to feel that stretchiness of your toe. And now leave it there for 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep your posture as tall as possible. Tummy in, chest picked up. So that's very important to create that feeling of toning. It's not only you exercise, but it's also great for your dancing, where you have a beautiful muscular tone. Now bring your heels together, toes apart, the same on the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Keep your toe, point your toe here as much as possible. Feel the stretchiness. Feel like the energy flows through your body from down, up, from up, down. Very powerful, tight muscles. Tummy in, chest up. Put it down. Okay, next exercise, exactly the same, but in front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Keep point as much as you can. Now we'll try to make it a little bit harder. We'll try to lift our leg and hold it there for 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. And same time as you lift, make sure you're turning your leg, pointing your foot and turning your leg. Put it down. Close your legs. Same on the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, these exercises are extremely important for your health, for your beautiful look, but even more important to practice your dancing skill, because when you dance, the look and the strength of your body, that's what's the key. Now keep your foot pointed for 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and now lift it. Keep it as pointed as much as you can. Remember, standing like it's super strong. Tummy is in. Make that core very strong. Turn out your foot. Squeeze your tummy and put it down. Very good. So this, your feet and legs are ready now. Now, what is the most important body action in ballroom dancing? Is rotation. So now we're going to do rotational thigh exercises. So tummy in, chest up. We're just going to rotate our thighs without bending legs. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put your arms here to make sure the shoulders are not rotating. 8. Just keep turning those thighs. Very good. Now you make it a little bit more harder. Now you're going to turn your thigh, and one heel going to go off the floor, ankles still together, toes apart, to achieve maximum rotation. Now we're going to rotate the standing leg only 45 degrees from neutral to the back position. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and change. Like the same idea here, rotating your left thigh all the way maximum back to the neutral position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now we're gonna switch. And 1, 2, maybe 2 times each. 1, 2, pulsing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're gonna switch, but remember that feel of the picked up body always with you. Switch single counts. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Feel like your body working inside. Your core is very strong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Rotate our chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now throw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keep your fingers straight and strong. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Belly in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Finished.